English to Hindi translation photo online. There are several websites that offer free online translation services. One such website is Google Translate. It allows users to type in any language into its search bar and then click Translate to see an instant translation of what was typed. The Google Translate feature works best if you know the language you want to translate from. If you don't, you might get some strange results. For example, typing "I love you" into the Google Translate search bar produces the following result. Means, "I love you." In order to use the Google Translate feature, you must first select the language you want to convert from. Once you do, you can type what you want translated into the text box at the top right corner of the page. You can then click on the button that says Translate to see the results. The Google Translate tool works best if you know some basic words in the target language. For example, if you wanted to translate the word hello into Hindi, you would simply type Hindi, followed by English. If you were trying to translate the phrase "I love you" into Hindi, however, you would type Hindi, followed by Google Translate, English. When using the Google Translate tool, you can choose from 3 different languages, English, Spanish, and French. You can also select between 2 different translations, machine translation and human translation. Machine translation uses algorithms to convert text from one language to another, while human translation relies on humans to translate text from one language to the other. The Google Translate app has been around since 2006, and it's still going strong today. It works by translating words and phrases into multiple languages at once. For example, if you type "I love you" into the Google Translate app, it will automatically translate that phrase into several different languages, such as German, Italian, Japanese, and many others. If you want to use the Google Translate app to translate a specific word or phrase, simply tap the microphone icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you speak the word or phrase you wish to translate, the Google Translate app will display the translated version of the phrase in real time. You can also use the Google Translate feature to translate text from one language to another. Simply open the Google Translate app and select the language you would like to translate from. Next, click the microphone icon at the bottom right corner and speak the text you would like to translate. When you're done speaking, the Google Translate app will display the translated text in real time. The Google Translate app works best if you speak slowly and clearly. If you speak too fast, the app won't be able to understand what you're saying. Also, try to avoid using contractions such as can't and won't because those words aren't included in the dictionary. When you use the Google Translate app, you'll see a screen that asks you to select from one of 3 languages, English, Spanish, or French. You can then type in text in either language. Once you've typed in some text, the app will translate it into the other language. For example, typing "I am going to the store" in English will result in Hindi. The Google Translate app works best if you know what you want to say before you start typing. If you're trying to communicate something specific, such as directions or instructions, you might find yourself having to retype much of what you said. However, if you're simply looking for a general idea of what you want to say, the app does a pretty good job of translating.